Hi guys, so welcome to another video. Today I want to show you a new doll unboxing or doll related unboxing. This is a Simba mini newborn baby, and yeah, I got her at my local titty, so it's like a dollar store but not for $1. It's like a cheap discount store whatsoever. Yeah, I paid $2.55 for her. Her normal price were, I think, €6. Yeah, so it's over 50% off, which is cool. I love that. I think I had some kind of like this doll as a child many years ago, and they've been around for such a long time. So yeah, and now I got this doll because it was so cheap. And yeah, does it say anything here on the box? No, it's like Simba toys. So this is the same brand behind Steffi Love. This doll is like really drinking and wet thing. So it says baby really drinks and wets. Okay, interesting. So like this is the packaging, and now let's unbox it. So this is the doll, yeah. So it has basic 5 points of articulation in the head, shoulders, and hip. Yeah, it's cute. I like that. It's a bit big for a Barbie baby. It's more like a Chelsea size doll, which I really like. Yeah, you can undress it. And here you can see it's like the hole for this thing. So you fill it up with water and squeeze it in, and then it will like instantly come out of here, which is kind of weird. So it doesn't have any like stuff you could press to wet it. So it's not like a baby born doll or something. Yes, now let's redress it. And I need to say this doll extremely looks like a boy to me, but maybe I'm wrong. This baby has green eyes, very pretty. So it came with a bathtub, which is cute. I really like this. Is it called pacifier? In German it's called Schnuller, I don't know. And a drinking bottle, baby bottle. I had so many of these bottles as a child. I really remember that specific item because I had so many Steffi Love related stuff as a child. Yeah. And I think it's called pacifier, doesn't even get into the mouth. Okay, it fits, but you see it's kind of looking weird. I don't know, couldn't it be a bit smaller, like a normal size? Yeah, I don't know. So this is the doll. I hope you liked this unboxing. Please leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.